there for everyone to see after the new industrial policy was announced by me. People have made a beeline to come to Goa, new industry, people who have wanted to expand the existing industry. But nevertheless, we have seen that some industrial estates are facing lot of problems. Like Sankwal industrial estate is facing one of the biggest problems. After it was one of the best and first industrial estate in Goa, they have come up with certain security issues, development of roads within the industrial estate, development of lighting, development of common facilities. We are looking into all those aspects, all those problems, and I am sure in a time-bound manner, I will see that they are resolved, and again it will be on the march to become one of the best industrial estates. Most important of all, I want to thank Mr. Sanjay Satadekar. He is also one of the unit owners there. He has one large industry there. But we wanted a new road. We are not getting land. He is the owner of the land. So graciously he has agreed to give us land for a new entrance and a new road connecting from Beats Pilani side to the Sankwal industrial estate. So I want to specially make a mention and thank him for his graciousness. It shows that even politicians have a large heart. He may be a politician and an industrialist, but he has a large heart to help his fellow industry, the entire Sankwal industrial estate. So I thank him in advance. I also thank the chairman, Mr. Reginaldo Lorenzo, for coming here in spite of so many difficulties, which shows his commitment to bring about a change in the functioning of IDC, which is going to go a long way in promoting industry. My thanks also to Mr. Pravimal Abhishek, our MD, because of whom this IDC Connect program is today a big success. And I will know that it is a true success once all problems of IDC in Sankwal industrial estates get resolved.
जयपूर दिसा साई चार्ज घेतला आजपासून आज सिरियसली आम्ही एक इशू घेतला आणि आम्ही सगळे इशू घेऊन आम्ही सोल्युशन दिले आमगे विश 100% सगळे सोल्युशन दिवपाक बट may not be 100 but at least 90% we will touch address kotle and we also want something from the industry back. We want them to employ people locals, we want them to employ boats, which we are demanding also from them, and we are giving them all the facilities. Like all issues right from small to big we want to tackle it. I issue halle even आता issue हा even MD ते target करते MD पासून ते जे personal challenge personal हे जातात there are inside and outside people, inside the IDC and outside the IDC, but as a chairman I am ready to take on head on गेल बगर solution जायना. To settle any problem you have to rise above the problem if you want to settle the problem. If you don't rise, if you keep emotions aside and take the bull by the horns, that is in reality lot of things happen, and we are ready to do it come what may. Like that there will be a little bit here and there, this is expected.
We have a lot of grievances, but we are so happy today. It is the first ever time that we are IDC Connect. We were waiting for such an occasion for that we can share our difficulties with the IDC, and today the new chairman MD has really given us such a great opportunity for sharing our difficulties with the IDC, because that was in the presence of chairman and the minister, and all the three have given wonderful support to us. That is the greatest achievement of the sector. Because Sankwal industry is the first industry in Goa, and it was in a wonderful, excellent condition. But unfortunately, because of the mining and the shipping difficulties, the whole thing has been closed down, and we are in a very bad shape today. Very lot of infrastructure problem and security problems, which has been really taken in a positive way by the MD, chairman, and the minister. We are sure with their positive approach, that industrial estate will be the #1 in India.